Hello. Since last 2 days, YouTubers are facing a problem that the YouTube link video not showing the preview in WhatsApp when they go to share their videos using the WhatsApp. A very simple solution to this problem is just go to Google using your browser and type WhatsApp for Windows. Here is the first link you can use at www.whatsapp.com and download and install this file to your PC. I have already downloaded this file. Let's go to there and install this file. Definitely it will take some time. As internet is a little slow. So the installation is complete and I have already logged in. So now you can copy your link from YouTube, any video link from your channel. Like I am going to copy this link and pasting into my WhatsApp. Paste here. See, it's showing the preview and click the next. So it's the solution of the problem. Thank you for watching video.